Onion na do when they chips, Ghana chips, onion and garlic chips. When you're veggie, and to use 5 cups of flour and more 1 cup so is in chan. And I so onion, garlic, salt and nutmeg, margarine, and then we're going to use all pepper seasoning, which is optional, and a flavor and so vanilla and so optional. And to the 2 tablespoons of baking powder and a medicam. Oh yeah, I'm in pen bebree. And then I'll mix every time the nutmeg and so account. Then I'll mix everything together. And I'm the margarine. I use the 1 sachet of the margarine. Margarine in here bebree. You don't need too much. It shouldn't be oily. If it's too much, what chips and your chips will be breaking when you fry them. And see, this is okay. Then you're going to add the flavor. As I said, it's optional. You can choose not to add it. Now, I've blended the onion, the garlic, the ginger plus the all pepper seasoning, and I made a fry to mix it together. And then I'm going to add water to the blended mixture. Then I'll use it to mix my flour till I get the texture that I want. And see, this is what I came out with. You can mix it harder than this. Now we have our chopping board and rolling pin. We also have a tray with a little bit of flour in the tray and a little bit of flour on the chopping board, and applying some on the rolling pin. Then you will roll it very well. So you're going to sprinkle a little bit of flour onto the dough and say there's some crabby dough. Now you're rolling into flat mode, but not very flat. On your flat cry. If you are not, you pick your knife, then you slice it into smaller strands. Then you take a scissor, then you're going to cut it into the shapes and the sizes that you want, and that is what you are doing. Now, while you are cutting, you should be adding flour to it to separate them. You should also have your oil on fire, not on your show. You fry this in a deep method. Now, enjoy. You have to be stirring it till you realize that it's frying and turning to golden brown, and then your chips is ready. Now you're going to do the other one. That one you have to roll it very flat. But rolling very flat, so you take some, you just be tearing it anyhow. So that's how you be tearing and be applying flour on it, and then you'll be frying that one also. And so this is it. So you can choose this method or the cutting method. And so we are done with our chips. Try this and you will love it.